Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook creamy grits. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. 1 cup of quality grits, 4 cups of your preferred liquid, 2 tablespoons of rich butter, and a half teaspoon of salt. Opt for stone-ground grits for that authentic, satisfying texture. A heavy-bottomed saucepan is also key to achieving perfectly cooked, non-stick grits. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get those grits simmering. First, bring your 4 cups of liquid and a half teaspoon of salt to a gentle boil in your saucepan. Slowly whisk in the 1 cup of grits to prevent any lumps from forming. Once combined, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let them simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally for that perfectly smooth, creamy consistency. To achieve that irresistible creaminess, once your grits have simmered, it's time for the finishing touches. Stir in 2 tablespoons of butter until it's fully melted and incorporated. For an extra luxurious texture, consider adding a 1/4 cup of heavy cream or some shredded cheese. Continue stirring until the grits are wonderfully smooth and reach your preferred consistency. Don't forget to taste and adjust the seasoning for perfection. Your perfectly creamy grits are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm as a comforting side dish alongside your favorite meals, or make them the star of a hearty breakfast. They pair wonderfully with savory additions like perfectly cooked shrimp, crispy bacon, or a fried egg. If you prefer a sweeter touch, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup with some fresh berries makes a delightful treat. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.